Mount Rushmore.
Yeah, South Dakota, Black Hills. You have to come check it out. This is a really cool memorial to four of the great presidents of the U.S. Built in 14 years, we think they sculpted it.
Which is impressive when you look at it all. So it's more than just seeing the president's face. You can see it from plenty of places as you're driving through the Black Hills, but when you get here, there's this awesome walk that you can do around it, and on a gorgeous day like today, it's stunning. You can see the original sculptures piece that they used as their, what would you call it, their plan?
Yeah, basically
the model.
The model, the blueprint, and they did an incredible job. And the actual memorial is gorgeous here.
And it's free, isn't it? But you pay for parking.
You pay for parking, $10. You can actually walk around for free. And they have a huge, beautiful amphitheater. The walkways are really nicely done. You can pretty much look at these guys from many different angles, and it's a really cool experience.
Basically, you come to a park. You come to a park and you get to see this beautiful sculpture while you're here. It's stunning.
Mount Rushmore, definitely worth
Gotta
a
see
visit.
If you have a bucket list, this should be on it.
Absolutely.